Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will bring you a detailed step-by-step recipe to make a traditional Goan sweet dish which is prepared during special occasions, festivals and especially for pre-wedding lunches. It's made with tasty and healthy ingredients like coconut milk, rice flour, coconut jaggery, chana dal, cashew nuts and cardamom powder. This is a popular sweet dish in Goa and is sure to bring back great memories. Our recipe for today is called Vhonn or Soji. Step 1. Soaking the chana dal. Take 150 grams of chana dal or split Bengal gram. Soak the dal overnight or at least for 4 hours. Step 2. Cooking the chana dal. Place a pan on medium heat and add 3 cups or 750 ml of water. Add the dal after discarding the water in which it was soaked. Add half teaspoon of salt. Boil the dal until it is fully cooked, but ensure not to overcook it. Don't cover the pan fully while cooking. Open the pan occasionally, stir and remove any foam that floats on the top. Once the dal is cooked, press the dal between your fingers to check if it is done. Drain out all the water. Your chana dal is ready. Step 3. Extracting the coconut milk. Take 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Add the freshly grated coconut in a mixer grinder. Add 1.5 cups or 375 ml of water. Grind the coconut to extract thick coconut milk. Pour the ground coconut into a strainer which is placed above a bowl. Press the coconut with the help of a spoon or spatula to extract the coconut milk. Press firmly to extract all the coconut milk from the ground coconut. Extracted thick coconut milk, which is around 1.5 cups or 375 ml. Save the thick coconut milk in a clean bowl. Grind the same coconut again to extract thin coconut milk. Add 2.5 cups or 625 ml of water. Grind the coconut nicely to extract thin coconut milk. Pour the ground coconut in a strainer. Press the coconut firmly with the help of a spoon or spatula to extract all the thin coconut milk. Remember to keep the thin and thick coconut milk in 2 separate bowls. You will get around 2.5 cups or 625 ml of thin coconut milk. Save this thin coconut milk in another bowl. Step 4. Preparing the other ingredients. Take 200 grams of coconut jaggery. If you don't have coconut jaggery, sugarcane jaggery can also be used. Cut the jaggery into small pieces. You will also need 15 cashew nuts. Cut these cashew nuts into medium-sized pieces. Half teaspoon of green cardamom powder. 1 pinch of salt. 4 tablespoons of Goan rice flour. If Goan rice flour is not available, rice flour made of parboiled rice can also be used. Add the rice flour in a bowl. Add only half cup of the extracted thin coconut milk. Mix it nicely until no lumps remain in the mixture. Our rice mixture is ready. Step 5. Preparing the Vhonn or Soji. On medium heat, in a wide open, thick bottom pan, add the remaining thin coconut milk. Now add the jaggery. Stir frequently to prevent burning and sticking to the bottom or sides of the pan. Let the jaggery melt completely. Once the jaggery has melted completely, reduce the heat to low and add the rice mixture little at a time. Stir continuously to ensure no lumps are formed. Cook for at least 15 minutes on low heat or until the mixture starts to thicken. Add 1 pinch of salt.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Now add the cashew nuts. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Once the mixture thickens, add the thick coconut milk.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
After the mixture starts bubbling, add the boiled dal and mix well. Now add the green cardamom powder. Check for sweetness and add jaggery powder or sugar if required. Once it starts bubbling and achieves a medium thick consistency, our Vhonn is ready. Vhonn can be enjoyed hot or cold. If you do not want to consume it on the same day, then once it cools down, store it in the refrigerator. Delicious Vhonn or Soji is ready. Did this recipe bring back any memories associated with Vhonn or Soji? Do share with us your feelings or emotions associated with Vhonn. Please remember to press the like button if you enjoy watching our videos.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.